Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Santa Cruz, and this is one of the school buses that the government recently brought in. Very nice bus, and it's on the main road in Santa Cruz. Now, look at where the door is. I'm very surprised to know that they've actually put these buses on the road. If somebody wanted to get into this bus or a child wanted to get out of the bus, they'd be stepping out into the traffic. Now you can come out of the and go across in front or behind the bus. Or chances are you'll be going across the road. I was of the opinion, and guys, let me know what you think, that they were going to make changes to the bus so that the door is on the other side. So that you would come off the bus onto the sidewalk and not into the road. So I'm kind of surprised to know that the government would have put these buses out on the road with the doors not changed. And I've seen quite a few of them. Some of them, the door is on the other side, but some of them, the door isn't. And with school opening in a few weeks, I hope they don't put the unmodified buses out on the road when school starts. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And when we say unmodified, we mean the buses that have the door on this side still. I don't think they should put those out. It would be too dangerous. But guys, let us know what you think. So now the government is bringing in 110 school buses. Excellent move. It's needed, especially in the rural areas. So they should, I think it's 60 should be here by September and the rest next year. And they have allocated or dispatched, I should say, that's a better word, dispatched the buses to various parishes around the island. So it's a good move. Very nice bus, I must say. Not sure why it's just parked here in the road though, I don't know. But guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.